My only hope was for Sissy to marry you and bear me at least one grandchild to play in this compound.
I can't marry that man.
You know, no one should be forced into doing anything he or she doesn't want to.
I know you have no one. And you're trying to run away from a useless excuse of a man, but all that has changed. So I discussed with my husband, and he thinks it's okay for you to move in with us.
We met her barely a week ago. There are so many ways you could have helped her, instead of bringing her into your home.
You arranged to meet with her there. Of all the days you both could plan a trip, it had to be the same month, day, time, and same hotel?
Say if I was still in love with her, what would you do about it?
I should invest for somebody to come and be harvesting to horror me.
Why did you marry her?
You knew I had no choice.
You always have a choice.
I mean, is there anything like a perfect marriage?
I want that.
You can only try.
I don't want any questionable incident. It should be as far from human manipulation as possible. I want them both to be fully dependent on me.
Are you sure you don't want me to come with you? I don't trust that stranger.
I am suffering. You are here cooking, eating.
You mean if I should starve to death because of the irresponsibility of a child young to be your daughter?
Is that a question you are asking me?
You bear it to Dada Fanyahu that their family must prepare their minds to pay every dime taken from a fool, and that if Ceci comes back married, that marriage is declared null and void.
Winifred, this is my husband, Zach.
Have you seen her?
As in, Zach could be attracted to her.
Someone is trying to set your wife up.
Why are you not married? And why are you living in that building?
I ran away. Efo came to my house with his family members. He wants to marry me. My grandfather made a deal with him, and he spent his money on me. Now he wants his property.